Ouch!
Hi, my name is Sushi. What's your name?
My name is Chili. Nice to meet you, Sushi.
Welcome to your new geocache. Where do you come from?
I just got activated. And you, where do you come from?
I started my journey in Paris, in France, in 2005. But I went to many places around the world. Egypt, New York City, Eiffel Tower, Cambodia, Sydney, Berlin, and I went to Machu Picchu as well. And now we are in Montreal.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, but you know, it's not always amazing. One time, one geocacher forgot me in his backpack for 6 months. I felt so lonely and miserable. Hello? Is anyone there?
Oh, this is so sad. But what's your next destination?
I don't know, but my mission is to go to Hollywood because I want to be a movie star. And you, what's your mission?
I don't know, but I want to travel the world like you.
Haha,
Hey, look! 2 geocachers are coming.
be quiet. Shh. They must not know we can talk. Play then.
Yeah, I'm going on an adventure.
Have fun, Chili. Good luck.
I hope you will be a movie star one day.
Yeah, I hope so.